Hi, I'm Simone and I'm an eBay Marketplace Advisor, and I'm here to introduce you to our Seller Clinics program, which is available to all business sellers on eBay. Our Seller Clinics are 45-minute one-to-one sessions with an eBay Marketplace Advisor to discuss topics of your choosing. All eBay business sellers are entitled to 3 Seller Clinics per year, and they are absolutely free. To access the program, click this link or scan the QR code to register. Choose the time that suits you and the topic you'd like to discuss. It's that simple. Our most popular topic to date is how to leverage the eBay tools available, but we can support you with topics such as listing foundations, store optimization, marketing, and eBay advertising. We have supported over 1,500 business sellers so far through our Seller Clinic program, with 96% of those that took part being extremely satisfied with the support they received. But don't take my word for it. Here's what the previous participants had to say. Click on the link to book your free Seller Clinic session today.